So you want to say something to all? वैसे तो पागल होते ही हैं सब लोग, लेकिन यहाँ तो फ्रंट रो से लेकर बैक रो सब लोग पागल हो ही गए हैं.
एक बड़ा ही स्ट्रेंज सवाल है, अनोखा सा सवाल है कि ट्रेलर आपको कैसा लगा? अनयूजुअल सवाल था ये.
पर अच्छा था.
बहुत अच्छा.
अच्छा, लेकिन सर ट्रेलर तो अच्छा हो गया, लेकिन आपकी एक जो प्रथा बन गई है, बहुत सारे खूबसूरत नौजवान युवकों को आप लॉन्च करते हैं. आई रियली लव दैट. दैट्स फैंटास्टिक. सो वीड लाइक टू मीट देम.
This is the third.
This is the third. Actually, we were discussing सलमान सर के साथ, मुझे भी मौका मिला स्टेज पर. दिस इज द थर्ड न्यू, I don't want to call them newcomers because I guess that they've really given it their all. लेकिन new promising talent that is being launched. We'd love to see them and we'd love for you to call them.
First we start with Suraj and Athiya.
That's right, sir.
And then
Ayush.
and Varina. And now Zahir Iqbal and Pranutan.
तालियां हो जाए for the entry of Zahir Iqbal and Pranutan Bahl के लिए. Very promising, as you've seen. They've already shown that they can do a very good job
Come on,
on screen.
Zahiro.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, they'll start crying any moment. Iqbal तो
Sir, Monish sir तो on point रो सकते हैं actually in all the television series. That's what I've heard about you. Done. All right, we're done with the photographs. I'd like to also call two very important people on stage that have put this project together. You know, they want to make it onto the big screen. You've seen so many seasons. You know, they've come and they've gone. So I obviously read it. It's very widely reported on Wikipedia. You saw him dancing at Arpita ki shadi and performing, and you said, "Bas."
No, that's not the first time I saw him.
Yeah.
I saw Zahiro when his father came to me. He said कि मेरे पापा और मम्मी ने मुम्मू के मम्मा और पापा के साथ बैठ के शरबत पिए. वैसे ने शरबत पिए, रिश्ता पक्का हो गया. That is when, before he was even conceived, I've known this.
But when you saw him, was he full
And
hero
I still
material?
remember, I still owe his father 2011 rupees. वही ना नकड़ा. वही ना 2011 रुपए.
ब्याज के साथ तो बढ़ गया होगा अभी सर.
अब ये चुका के देगा भाई.
So were you, when he did see you there, so it happens to so many people.
This one Jhol did it with me.
अच्छा.
On his sister's wedding. तो इकबाल comes to me से यार वो शादी में तो आना आऊँगा. जिसको संगीत स्टार्ट नहीं करेंगे इन लोग. तो ऐसे मैं आ जाऊँगा यार साजिद के साथ मैं आ जाऊँगा वहाँ पर. तो हम लोग घर पे बैठे थे तो ऐसे चलो. तो फिर संगीत स्टार्ट किया इन्होंने. पूरी फिल्म बनाई थी इन्होंने. वीडियो, डांस, परफॉर्मेंस वगैरह वगैरह. इनको पता था कि ये मैं आऊँगा वहाँ पर और ये साइन हो जाएगा.
ये था वैसे थॉट ना.
इंटेंशन वैसा नहीं था लेकिन वही इंटेंशन था. इंटेंशन वही था और वो कामयाब हो गए. लेकिन उसके बाद 5 years this boy struggled really hard. तो 5 साल he was worked with me, trained with me, assistant in Jai Ho. तो बहुत मेहनत की इसने. And Pranutan, you don't want to be lawyer anymore?
Never. No.
अरे become lawyer. So her father, Monia. So I've known Monia. Monia is Monish Bahl. So I remember he used to be shooting 3 shifts. The only one thing I used to do, go to Sea Rock as a model assistant and go and work out in the gym where I was underage, which he had to pay for because Prabhu was the general manager then. He at that point in time didn't have much respect for me. I don't think even now he has it. But so he used to have this panga with me. He used to keep me out of the gym. So whenever he was not there, I used to go into the gym. He used to pay for it. And so one day he comes on the bench. I was working out. He says, "Move out to the bench." I said, "Why?" He said, "I'm really tired, man. I've been doing 3 shifts. I shot in Mumbai, then I went to Hyderabad, and I've just come back, and it's just too tiring. You know, dude, I wish God gives me a break. Next week, his film release, Teri Baahon Mein. God did listen to him. God gave him the longest break. And then I got a film called Maine Pyar Kiya. Okay? And Raj
तालियां हो
Babu,
जाए, मैंने प्यार किया ऐसा मिला.
the first person to sign me was Raj Babu. He passed away yesterday. God bless his soul. So I went and met Raj Babu, and yeah, they signed me for a film. उसमें एक negative lead था. तो I said, you know, why don't you try Munish Bhai? He said, नहीं नूतन जी के बेटे उनको negative में कैसे ले सकते हैं? तो I turned around and said, if Monish gets to know about this, he will die. So then I went to Nutan ji. And then I got her from Sagar Sangeet from Kaf Parade to meet Raj Babu. And she convinced Raj Babu that my son, God gave him a long break. Right now he's under BMWs and Mercedes Benz and repairing cars. तो अभी भी चल रहा है इनका. So that is how he got into मैंने प्यार किया था.
2018 nervous at all? I saw you getting little nervous. मतलब ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे तुम अपने नाखून चबा बैठोगे.
Yeah, I'm slightly nervous. It hit me today morning that the world is going to see my work that I've done. They know how good or bad you are and what you do. So it's nerve-wracking.
अभी जो तुमने सबके सामने देखी है, वो फील आ रही थी क्या? Were you able to be non-objective and say मैंने ठीक काम किया है?
No, I personally I feel I did a good job.
That's great. Salman sir, are you able to be non-objective? Or you know, when you're watching the stuff that you are producing and you are making, ऐसा हो सकता है कि okay, I can be non-biased.
Kill him. I have to kill him. If I don't like something, I ask him to do it over and over again.
Really?
Now, now there was one dance step that he could not get. So I had to stand up and just imagine I had to stand up and show it to him. लेकिन वो थोड़ा सा भलता था. So I had to stand up and show him the dance step. And he's gone and he's rehearsed about 4-5 hours with him in the studio. Then he's gone. He's rehearsed it all night and he's gone and done it.
You know
Very
what?
hardworking.
You know what we're going to ask you to do now, ना? ये जो डांस स्टेप इतना मुश्किल था जो शायद आ नहीं रहा था, डांस स्टेप देखना है आपको?
करते भी देखो, पता नहीं खराब कर यहाँ पे.
Thank you.
Listen. This is now अभी दरवाजा खुल चुका है. अब हर कोई तुम्हें हर चीज पे you know there'll be.
It's not a step that was hard. It was a whole long sequence. Which
You can't
it's
get
better
away
to
from
see
this.
it on screen.
उसका 5 सेकंड का तुम्हें हल्का सी बुमरो वाला तो कर लो यार, वो जो कर रहे थे वो हम लोग देखना चाहेंगे. Do you want to see it?
बच्चों को लेके आओ, बच्चों को लेके आओ,
We'll
बच्चों को
call the
लेके
children
आओ.
on stage and we'll do
ये भी
it.
हमारे साथ में पिक्चर आ जाओ, कम.
This is going to be for you and Pranutan. If you got a chance to peek into Salman sir's notebook, what do you think you'll find? Salman sir, you'll also have to see if she gets that right. Pranutan, what do you think you'll find? Be honest. This is not checking on the left and then deciding the answer. Sir.
Find crosses and red underlined marks.
Really?
And first of all, she would not have any approach to my notebook or my diary because if she opens it, she'll die of a heart attack.
So that means you would
My
never.
father would die of a heart attack.
You know, we've spoken to almost everyone on stage over here. Zahi's dad is also here, sir. 2011 की तो 2011 जो रुपए हैं उनकी तो ब्याज बनते चले गए, बट फर्स्ट टाइम सीइंग योर सन ऑन स्टेज, सीइंग ऑन द बिग स्क्रीन, क्या फीलिंग रही आपकी सर? It's almost like a fixed deposit, right? You know that you're going to get a guaranteed return, 100%. तालियां हो जाए सबके लिए. Yeah, one second.
मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया और मुझे कपिल सर, फिरदौस मैम और सलमान खान बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं.
अब तुम्हारी एज में मैं पूछ भी नहीं सकता कि फेवरेट फिल्म सलमान सर की आपको कौन सी पसंद है, तो आई एम नॉट क्वाइट श्योर कि हाउ फार बैक वी कैन गो. अच्छा, तुम में से किसका फेवरेट, सलमान सर का फेवरेट फिल्म कौन सा है? तुम सबसे बड़े लग रहे हो. डू यू वांट टू से इट? यस, व्हिच इज योर फेवरेट फिल्म?
My favorite film of Salman sir is Tiger Zinda hai.
मेरी बजरंगी भाईजान है. तो सलमान सर जब रोते हैं वो बहुत ऐसा डर.
नहीं
नो, अच्छा सॉरी.
सलमान सर मुझे रोते हुए बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं.
अच्छा. Sweet. Yeah, okay, go.
Hi sir, this is Gary here. Sir, my question is to the hero.
अच्छी लगती है उसकी बहुत. मुझे बजरंगी फिल्म बहुत अच्छी लगती है, इसके बहुत.
आप जिस तरह बोलते हो वो इतने एक्साइटिंग है. ये एक सवाल ले लेते हैं. गो अहेड बड़ी.
Hi sir, this is Gary here. First of all, sir, I'm a very big fan, Salman sir. And my question is to Zahiro sir. I've heard that this full movie has been shot in Kashmir. So, what was your best experience while shooting this movie?
Hi, how are you? Thank you all
I'm
for
good,
being
thank
here. Firstly, my best experience of Kashmir was my interaction with the people there. I think I've traveled a lot, but I haven't met such loving people anywhere in the world. I want to say this that एक होता है कि आप किधर जाओ और आप किसी के घर जाओ और वो मेहमान नवाजी करे, आपको खाना खिलाए एंड दे नाइस टू यू. और एक होता है कि पकड़ पकड़ के कि नहीं घर आओ यार, घर आओ, थोड़ा खाना खा लो, थोड़ा मेरे घर पे अच्छी चाय बनती है, आप पी लो. सो इट्स दोज काइंड ऑफ पीपल देयर वेयर बुला के दे आर सो हॉस्पिटेबल देयर. सो